Hello, in front of me I've got iPhone 17. In this video I'll show you how to turn off or customize action button. To customize or disable the action button on iPhone 17, go to Settings and Action Button. You can select multiple functions for this button. You can switch between silent mode, focus, camera, visual intelligence, torch, voice memo, recognize music, translate, controls and more. To disable action button, simply select no action. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.